Hi, this is my 2012 Kink launch BMX bike check. Right, I got Mission phase bearings, the rubber, it's like the grips, and they're good. I got some Mission Helix grips there, actually not that good, they're quite uncomfortable, but yeah, they'll be alright to start off. I got 2-finger alloy brake lever. I got a Mission linear cable. It's very good. I've got some Kink Uptown bars, 100% Hi-Ten steel, with a Chromoly sticker. Got a Mission Junction stem with a stock ball cap on top. It's front load stem. Got Mission integrated headset. I got Kink Volte forks, 100% Hi-Ten steel as well. I got a Mission Eco front hub. I got stock pegs, just came with it. I got Alienation PBR rims and a Kenda Kontact tire. I'll do the frame at the end. I got alloy platform pedals. They're very nice. I got Mission tubular cranks for a piece cranks. Got Kink decimal sprocket. Got a KMC Z410 chain. I got a Mission seat with the integrated seat post. Got a Mission seat clamp, slim clamp. I got 4 pegs on the back. I got a Mission function rear hub. Got Alienation PBR rims and Kenda Kontact Tyres. Alright, now for the frame. Okay, well, it's a 20.25 inch top tube. It's got you can have a gyro on it, but I haven't got a gyro on it at the moment. Got Kink launch stickers there. Got a sticker on Kink. I got a Chromoly sticker because it's my favourite brand. Even though I got a Kink. Yeah, another Kink sticker there. It's a very nice frame. Strong, 100% Hi-Ten steel. Does good. Lasts me a long time. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.